So I grew up in LaPlace here in South Louisiana. We lived on a street with other relatives, and one of my strongest food memories was growing up close to family among some really, really good cooks. And I remember coming home from school and going house to house to figure out what they were cooking for dinner that evening, to see what the best thing was going to be. We're lucky enough to be in this part of the world with so many great waterways around us. And my uncle was a fisherman, and so I remember our freezer being stocked with fish he would pass on to us, and that was just always available to us. And then I had another uncle who was and still is just the consummate host. When I think about all those family gatherings and all that delicious food that we were always making, it's definitely something that I draw from every day here in the store, whether it's customer service or what we do in the cooking classes, encouraging folks to make delicious food or teaching folks and dining with them at the end of the cooking class. That brings happiness, and it's definitely what I draw from. I know how powerful that is for them to bring home and share with their family and generate those same sort of memories that I draw from every day from my childhood. The power of that home-cooked meal. That's where all the magic happens. The meal doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look like those social media images. This is about making something from whole ingredients that can nourish your body, but more than anything, brings people together at the table and creates those lasting memories. I attended the John Folse Culinary Institute. I earned a Bachelor of Science in Culinary Arts. I went later in life. I was 40 when I decided to go to culinary school. While there, I studied under some Louisiana culinary greats. I studied under John Folse. James Beard Award winner Frank Brightson was one of my professors, and then Marcel Bienvenu, who is easily one of the best Louisiana food writers out there. So my time at the John Folse Culinary Institute in Thibodaux, easily the best part of my culinary career. So after culinary school, I was lucky enough to purchase Red Stick Spice Company. After we took over the shop, we started to notice that the shop was positioned a little bit as a higher-end gourmet store, and that's when recipe writing became a big part of what I do. And that's when a lot of inquiries about cooking classes started, and we started making plans to build in a cooking classroom in the store. While we're certainly there for the gourmets of the world and we can supply them with any of those rare spices, we also want to be extremely approachable to the home cook who maybe just wants to mix up Taco Tuesday a little bit. So when customers think of Red Stick Spice, I hope that what they think of is just this super welcoming place where they can come in and get inspired. Home cooks are looking for new ideas and recipes, especially ideas to use with our products. We're here to answer their questions and provide them with great flavors for making delicious meals for their friends and family.